The judge agreed with the defense. He said the civil cases against Gragson can't move forward until the criminal trial is done. One of the attorneys for the victims told me this is just a delay tactic.
This is just nonsense.
It was a tense 2 hours in the courtroom as lawyers from each side argued if the civil cases against Scott Gragson can move forward before the criminal trial.
You can tell this case is contentious.
Robert Eglett represents 3 of the 4 people who were inside Gragson's Range Rover when he crashed near the ridges in Summerlin. Greg Tassi and Christy Kobit have significant injuries. Melissa Newton died.
We have 3 young girls who lost their mother, were uprooted from their home. You can't even imagine the effect that the traumatic effect this has had on their lives.
That person who has been brain damaged.
William Kemp is representing the 4th victim, Christopher Bentley.
We're talking about anything having to do with this, the litigation from Mr. Gregson's perspective that is a discovery response or sounds in a discovery response that could be used against him in the criminal proceedings.
On Tuesday, Judge Rob Baer agreed with Gragson's attorneys.
Today will be limited only to the Fifth Amendment concerns.
He said a civil trial could put Gragson in a position of self-incrimination, which violates his Fifth Amendment right.
We would vehemently disagree with that. They want to delay this out as long as possible with the hopes that maybe the people's memories will fade. We're not going to let that happen.
Eglett told me he's worried it will be years before his clients get justice.
And if this was just Joe Blow on the street, went out and killed some people and injured some people in a drunk driving accident, and he didn't have the influence and the family power and the money that Mr. Gragson had, this wouldn't be happening.
I asked Gragson's attorneys for an interview and they said no. They told the judge they would be able to work with the victim's attorney so the civil case is not dragged on for years. But Eglett told me he doesn't believe that's going to happen. The civil trial is set for next September. It's about 6 months after the criminal trial. Reporting live, Kylie Gaylor, Fox 5 News, local Las Vegas.